Yeah, we're looking for a very strong utility robe, which is, I would say, still very budget friendly, but again, really super strong, super versatile, even beautiful with this really nice baby blue here. Then this TECEUM, which I got from the seller to show you, could be an absolutely awesome solution. I've already been using it now here to give a little bit extra stability to this banana tree, connected this here with a little bit of support to a mango tree over there. Sometimes I'm doing that after a storm or so for a couple of days to give a little bit of support. And so I'm using now this 5mm TECEUM rope. And this thing is super strong. You can see that here supports even up to a full 220 pounds, 100 kilograms, which is absolutely amazing for the thickness, and it's still normal, natural, just beautifully braided cotton. And despite being super tough, it's still pretty easy to cut with a sharp knife here because it's still natural cotton. And what I like here, we have some really nice extra sturdiness. Can already feel that. When you hold it in your hand, you can feel that it's stronger, I would say, than a normal average rope in exactly same diameter. I've already tried a couple of them, and that's so far my best choice here. Was super easy to put here around and knot it here and also on the other side, and now I have really super stable support. Yeah, this thing is really amazing. UV resistant, water resistant, fade resistant, exactly what we like. Works perfectly for indoor, outdoor. Yeah, again, for me, the perfect choice here. I've never seen anything better than that. If you need something thicker, then also good to know that this company is also producing thicker versions, maybe for boating or so. Yeah, I would say full recommendation from my side, so you can buy directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.